On today's body cam, we're checking out caught at Target on the 12th time, and it could cost her the Audi.
Oh, sorry.
Good, thank you. Okay, so we got some ticket switching and pizza. So she did pay for the one that is with her purse.
Okay.
And then she basically took these tags and put them here and then scanned them.
Okay.
If that makes sense. I can show you as well.
What's the one thing she paid for?
This tank top. So there's tank top, yeah.
Okay.
So she can keep that.
And repeat offender?
Yes.
Do you guys have the itemized receipts from the other time she's
Previous?
taken? Yeah.
Probably, yeah.
Alright, go ahead and 60 days.
Also, when she was shopping, I did see her select 2 cosmetics and depackage them. I believe that they're in her purse. Like a foundation and like a cream.
Come on now. These are fellas. We don't know what no foundation is. You know what I'm saying? But we'll make sure we get it. You know what I mean? We'll look in the purse. What's she talking about now? That's what the officers are sitting there thinking.
Alright. Can you stand up for me, man? Put your phone down on the table and turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Spread your feet for me. Spread your feet for me. Spread your feet. Put your palms together like you're praying. Alright, you can take a seat back over there. Oh, ma'am, I'm going to read you something, okay? It's your constitutional rights. It's important that you understand these, okay? You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you now or at any time during questioning. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request.
Bag that you put in here that you should have put in here? Not like cosmetic stuff.
It says something called sunscreen.
Sunscreen's in there?
Can I grab it out of here? Where is it at in the bag? In front?
In the center.
In the center?
Is that it right there?
This? Anything else? Okay. This is your first time taking from Target?
Yes.
Sure about that?
Yes.
Apparently it's not. First time you've been caught. Have you taken from Target in the past? Have you tag swapped in the past?
Yes.
Okay. What's the point of taking on this?
Sorry, I apologize. Sometimes it's...
Echo 222 teletype.
I mean, I saw your purse, you have money. What are you for?
Yeah, but if she's done this 11 times, why would she spend her money when clearly maybe the system is broken and she might be able to get away with it for a 12th time, right? People continue to do things because they didn't get caught the first time. So instead of thinking ahead and be like, you know what? I got away with this once or twice. Okay, I'm good. I'm out the game. I'm done. All right, I'm done. But because people don't think like that and they think more along the lines of, hey, I didn't get caught this time, let me keep doing it. Well, if you keep doing it, the chances of you getting caught increases.
Where do you work? Do you work?
Yes, sir.
What do you do for a living?
Bravo 214.
You guys want to pursue?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, let me know if you have any previous times. This whole time?
Almost 700?
Not 750?
I don't think 750.
This is the 12th time.
Yes, this will be the 12th time.
Do you
She goes to Daytona.
Can you print out a? You have every day, every date she's taking stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Can you print that out?
You guys can find like a little concealer in her purse, did you?
So when I give you permission over here, I found what's in here.
No, I don't think so.
Did you put any concealer in here at all? No.
Did you ditch the concealer you selected somewhere in the store? Look at all the environment.
Leave it somewhere else in the store.
I forgot the case number.
Oh wait, that is it. That is it. That is the elf.
You got it?
Yeah, that is it.
Which one?
The elf.
The pink.
The pink.
Other pets. How recent?
Emojis one?
Is
Definitely. So the one today, I thought she had one on the 30th, but I think it was just in my data, and I don't think they did research on it.
12, 17.
12/19, 12/17, 12/15, 12/1,
Oh.
11/22, 11/12, 11/5.
Holy crap.
And then 2018 was the last time, but she changed her card, so there was a big gap.
Got it.
But I bet there was more than that. Like 8 times if I need. You said 150 days?
120. If it's for 3 or more times in 120 days, it's an enhancement on the theft charge.
Yep.
Okay. So finish up and all the paperwork, then we'll go from there. All right, so you're under arrest, okay? Under arrest for shoplifting 3 or more times within 90 days. Okay? You shoplifted at least 5 times from this store within that 90-day period, but the total is like 7 or 8. Do you have a car here?
She has a gray Audi.
Gray Audi? Okay, your $5 is right here, we'll count this. So it's in your parking lot, so it's up to you guys what you guys want to do with it. If you want to tow it or whatever. Do you have any family here?
Do you have anyone that can pick up your car?
Oh, she got hunchos in there too, huh? She got the big hundreds. All right.
You have your car?
Yeah, my daughter.
Where is she at? In Ormond? So,
Call 1015.
yeah. Say sure you're here.
Echo 222. Is that Flagler? Whiskey Foxtrot 1015.
Since you bought this, we'll put this in here too, okay? Do you have like a reason for why you take all this stuff? Or not? Do you want to talk to us about it or not?
I mean,
Usually some people have like an excuse or a reason.
sometimes.
Hard times? Like financially? What kind of hard times you guys?
I'm sorry, you're on my list, that's all I can say.
You're what?
You're on my list.
Putting this pink.
Listen, Target has one of the best security systems in the retail game. The way that Target is moving, they moving like the feds, man. They moving like the feds. They moving like the alphabet boys. I'm gonna tell you right now what the alphabet boys do and what we're seeing on display right here. The FBI, they will take a long time on an investigation. They do not jump the gun like the state does. The state typically jumps the gun and yeah, that's why it's a lot easier to beat a state case than it is the feds, right? The feds, most of the time, they're going to scare you so much and have so much piled up on you. By the time they actually come and grab you, you have no choice but to take a deal, okay? By the time they come grab you, they already have everything. They know, man, they know what type of toothpaste you use, okay? By the time the feds come and grab you, okay? So they take a long time, pile up a whole bunch of evidence, and then they come grab you. This is similar. The way Target is moving, they had 12 different incidents and let it pile up, and then they stop her or whatever, right? But they already have everything lined up. These are the dates. Boom, 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 boom. This is what she was taking. It's like, damn. That's the similarity right there, man.
Form in your purse right here. This is your trespass warning. If you come back to this Target, you will be arrested, okay?
The last times you taken from Target, did you use that same card?
No, I have 2 credit cards.
You have 2 credit cards?
Credit cards. On my debit card.
No,
the car outside.
Your car.
Oh,
Is that the car you always drive?
yes.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna seize it. So she used that the last time. So
Commission of felony.
she's using it to further commission of felony.
Yeah.
That'll probably go with us. Where are your car keys?
Yep. So they're gonna tow it.
One from Petition.
Up here. Is it paid off, or you have a lease, or finance it?
I finance it.
Finance it? Okay. We're seizing your vehicle.
Okay.
Okay. That's gonna be going to the sheriff's office impound, and we'll give you all the necessary paperwork on how to treat the vehicle. Because the 5 times you come to the store, you use that car to steal. After 3, it makes it a felony. And you're using your vehicle to further yourself in the commission of a felony. So under Florida statute, under our policy, you're seizing your vehicle. Okay? Well, we'll explain all the paperwork and stuff like that formally when we get to the jail. That way you'll have a very clear understanding of what has happened to your vehicle, okay?
Am I gonna do that?
Nope.
Damn.
Like I said, if this is your first time stealing and you made a mistake, I can work with you. But after 12 times, you know right from wrong, and I can't help you. So,
Shit. After one time at her age, she know right from wrong.
Forces our hand a little bit after the upteen time.
so this is every single documentation of her
Stealing.
stealing. There's 12 pages, 12 packets. That's today's. This is today's
Okay.
theft, which is $116. She's finishing up the statement for the grand total. So, but yeah. If you want to enter your daughter, go ahead.
Okay. I don't think so. Can I?
It's called Rare Article.
It might be easier to do a call.
I cannot do that.
Do you want me to call her for you?
I'm doing it.
You doing it?
Can I?
Put it on speaker.
Hey, I'm so sorry. I have to call you back.
It's your mic. Baker, okay? What?
I called you back.
You call me back?
Yeah, I will call you back. I'm not home yet.
You home?
No, I'm not. I will call you when I get there.
Okay, well, I was just gonna head to Gold's.
Yeah, I know. That's fine.
You got delayed somewhere, so.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
All right.
All right, you ready? We're gonna go this way. Let's grab her first. I'll escort her up.
Can you please put this off for me? I cannot. I mean, I will walk.
No, I'm not taking the handcuffs off you.
It's a policy we have to follow.
Let's see what we got going on here. Good cop, bad cop. It's a policy we gotta follow. Listen, no, you get no favors. I wouldn't even let her do the phone thing. You done stole 12 times, man.
If there's anything on you that the deputy did not find and it goes to the jail, it's a felony. So
I can take my shoes
I
off.
know, I'm just letting you know that. We say this to everybody. I'm not accusing you of having anything on you. Just put your seatbelt on.
All right, I have to reach across you to put your seatbelt on. All right, I'm not trying to be rude or anything. Okay. Let me just. Oh, on me. All right, good.
Do I able to talk to you? Can I ask you questions?
Yes, ma'am.
What is next stuff going on after this? After I get to the place where you guys going to take me?
So when you get to the jail, you're going to get booked. And then after that, they'll either set you a bond or you'll wait till for first appearance in the morning. And then with your vehicle, we're seizing your vehicle.
What does that mean?
That means we're towing it and taking it because you used it for multiple times to commit a felony. And then after that, when we get to the jail, we'll explain further.
Okay.
Okay.
Is there any way I can have the phone?
You can have it on?
My phone.
No, once it's going to be submitted with your property in jail, like at the jail. And then either you bond out or you get first appearance and they give you like a bond amount that when you get out of jail, you'll get it back. Okay.
I need to talk to my daughter. She's gonna be very worried.
You're gonna get a phone call. I don't think there's any limit on how many phone calls you can make, but you're gonna be able to call her once you get there.
But I cannot call from my phone?
No, you're gonna have to call from their phone.
So they gonna know you went to jail. Transfer to another court, reduce petty theft. Wow.